man. That's how it rolls. All right, take care now. This 750, going to listen to what rolls in my radio. 750, 750, down and not out yet, but I'm nearly out. 750 going.
All right, you take care. Have a good one now. 2510.
And you're cruising real nicely there, Chunky Monkey. Cruising real nicely as you do your thing. All right, Chunky Monkey, man. You go and have a good day. I'll just see what rolls in my radio. Chunky Monkey 750 says, have a good day. Once again, I'm gone. Uh-oh, what happened, 28? Yeah, well, 28. I think it's your turn again, man. 28, what's going on? What's going on? 28, 750. Here we go again.
Back to checking on these conditions. We're sitting down at the supper table. We just heard some noise coming out of the radio. 750, there you are. Hey, 750, can you do me a favor? Tell 28, Shaka 220 said hello.
I can do that. Hey, 28. 220 says hello. 28. Shaka 220 just cleaned out everything and said hello there back. Hey, 220, he waved right back. 220, did you get that? He waved right back there, Roger.
Much more hollow here. Much more hollow. 750, 28, I can hear you over here. 28, around my way. 350, 750, all over, night.
Check. All right, there, 220. You're still smoking in the red. I've got a feeling that squid's going to be out there soon. I think any minute now I'm just going to get keyed on, and that'll be it for the day. So I'll just keep going until I get keyed on. That's how it rolls. All right, 220 and 28. I think you can hear you there, 28, but I'll pass the 5 anyway. I'm sure you are saying hello and waving the 5 back and forth. So it's all about the friendly wave. 28, 220. You're both showing up good. 750. Go on.
750.
2510, still got you 2.
You too. Already 28 around my way.
750, 28 cleaned up my radio, and just before you got off, I heard, I think Mod Squad said sounding like a neighbour, but that's the way conditions roll, man. 220 had it, but then 2510 stole it. That's how it rolls. 750 said that. 220. That was too much of a mess, man. I couldn't make out anything. You're both sounding good, man. As I said, you should both be proud of your stations because you don't have to touch a thing. They're sounding good. 220 on that big rock. Man, don't touch a thing. And Mod Squad, you got that Mobile sounding top choice. There's no other way to describe it. 220, 2510. I love the way you both sound in my radio. Come on.
Get out of there, Mr. Mudduck. Hey, Mr. Mudduck, 28, get out of there. 750, Mudduck, 28, I'm back wild. See, Mr. Mudduck.
Yeah, you tell him 28. Don't worry about the Mr. Mudduck. It's 750. Where's that Mr. Mudduck? It's 750, 28. 28, 750. Don't worry about that Mr. Mudduck now.
Mr. Mudduck, 750.
Man, conditions are going real weird, man. Mother Nature's messing up your audio. You know how it is. I think it's that time of the afternoon. Conditions have gone real weird. Your audio's all over the place, but I'll still make it out anyway. Your signals are good, but just the audio's playing up. That's Mother Nature for you. 750, working this weird Mother Nature now. No, I think that was, I don't know, that might have been 30 at one time. I didn't make out anything. It was just a mess. Just a crazy mess. I couldn't make out a winner. 750.
Squad, is this M400 doing the job? Mars, squad, checking out this M400. Right, bro. heard pineapple juice too and a whole lot of noise. The station down under on the Baby Driver right there.
Alright,
Alright, 220, I'll say later pineapple juice for you. I did hear pineapple juice a couple of keys back there, but I sort of got back to you a little bit too fast. Hello, 220, you said hello to pineapple juice? I'm kicking back on this Baby Driver right there.
Bulldozer, that's how you do it, man.